Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up Java. First thing you're going to do is go over to Google Apps and you're going to scroll down and you're going to be looking for this little rainbow box, Francis Consci AppStream. There's also this guy over here, this is After Hours, but this is really only 10 spots, so I would recommend just sticking with this one. This AppStream will be open from 7:15 in the morning until 9 o'clock at night. What it is, it's an Amazon Web Service, AWS, and it's going to provide us with cloud computing services. The next thing you're going to do is sign into your Google account. And when you get to this screen, we're going to select BlueJ, so click BlueJ. Now this is going to take 1 to 2 minutes, usually about 2 minutes. So I'm going to cut the video here. All right, so here we are in BlueJ, and the first thing we want to do is create a new project. So we're going to go to Project, New Project, and we're going to create a project called Java. Hit OK. All right, now we're going to create a new class. We're going to call that Turtle. All right, double click on that to open it. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy in the Turtle file that I've attached to this assignment. So we're going to do Control A to select everything, and we're going to do Control C to copy it. And we're going to go back over here, and again we're going to say Control A because we want to completely cover over all the code that was there. So Control A, and now Control V to paste in the file that I've provided for you. All right, that should all be there. We're going to click Compile. I don't see any errors. We would see some red dashes or spots if there was any errors. So we're good. We're going to close that. The next thing we're going to do is add another new class, and we're going to call this one Shapes. We're going to go over to Shapes, the file that I gave you. Again, we're going to say Control A and Control C. Go open Shapes. And we're going to say Control A to select all the code and Control V to paste in the code that I gave you. Click Compile. All right, and as long as you don't get any red marks or anything like that, we know that it's compiled correctly. So this is just some example code that's showing you with Java how to draw a square, a tic-tac-toe board, and a house. What's happening right here is we have modules that will be called to do different things. So the first one is draw a square, draw a tic-tac-toe, and draw a house. Well, I've commented out draw a square and draw a tic-tac-toe. So right now this module will just draw a house. All right, so let me close this to show you what I mean. I'm gonna right click on Shapes. We're gonna select Void Main, and we're gonna click OK. And we can see that our little turtle just drew a house. So let me close that. Let me go back into Shapes. This time I'm gonna comment out draw house. And I'm gonna take the comment marker off of draw a square. We'll compile the code, close it, right click, void main, hit enter. And this time I've drawn a square. The syntax in Java can be really tricky. There's a lot to learn, and I'll go into that in other videos, but for now I'm just trying to give you just a quick overview. But as far as syntax goes, even the slightest little error could cause a problem. So I just deleted a semicolon. I'm going to try to compile it. And you can see I've got this red mark here. That means that the code won't compile. That's because I have a syntax error. So let me put that semicolon back in, compile the code again, and now I have no errors, I have no red marks, my code should work. All right, so this is just to get you started. Use it as a guide, and then you're going to add more shapes to this, all the shapes that you did in Scratch assignment number 1. So that's everything for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.